Being able to find support and resistance levels is so important for traders. It is a skill that you have to master if you want to trade successfully. Support and resistance are key levels on our price charts that have played a role in the past and are also likely to hold up in the future. That's why it's so important for traders to know about such levels, because it can help us make better trading decisions around those levels and improve our trading quality. Support and resistance zones can help us find better trade entries, improve our trade exits to maximize profits, and also help us protect our trades for a higher win rate. First step, how do you find support and resistance levels on your charts? A support level is like a floor and marks a level that the price can't break below. A resistance level is a ceiling that the price can't break above. Sometimes it can help to switch to a line graph to find the best levels. Support and resistance levels are always horizontal and require at least 2 confirmation points to be valid. It may be okay to cut through a candlestick wick to mark a level, but it's never okay to cut through a candlestick body when drawing levels. Higher time frame support and resistance levels may carry more weight, and every price analysis should start on a higher time frame. Next, how do you use support and resistance levels in your trading? Trade entries. For timing the best trades, you wait for the price to get to a level, then you drop to a lower time frame and see confirmation that the level is holding before getting in. Confirmation, for example, can be a pattern breakout. Trade targets. For better trade exits, you want to make sure that your take profit target is set before a level to avoid giving back profits when the level holds. You want to be out of your profitable trades before the price hits such a key level. Trade exits. For stop placement, you want to protect your stop loss behind a support and resistance level to make it harder for the price to take you out. Support and resistance can be used universally on all markets and across all time frames.